This trip to Boeing for me personally is extremely gratifying. I'm a 15-year WestJetter. It's just really exciting to be able to be at the place where the product that we offer our guests is created. We walked in from the parking lot and I could see it out on the pad.
It was a pretty surreal moment.
Something I've looked at in pictures and manuals for almost a year now.
That emotion that you feel in your chest of pride.
Live, standing out there in the beautiful rain, it was a lovely thing to see.
To see actual physical aircraft in front of me is a sense of amazement.
Jeff recently mentioned that this aircraft is for all WestJetters, and when I saw it and was in the moment, I truly felt that. I truly feel like it's my aircraft and it's all WestJetters aircraft. I'm here on the 787 fam trip and I'm validating cargo standards.
I'm an aircraft maintenance engineer and I'm one of the members of the 787 entry into service team.
I work in the flight ops department, specifically in flight standards and procedures, and our team writes the flight attendant manual. There were so many departments to collaborate with. Everybody has something that they bring to the table. We really had to work together very closely to make sure that we were supporting each other and that this dream that we have could come alive.
I think for all the teams here in Everett, this is just the final checkbox to make sure that when we receive this aircraft that everything's going to run smoothly and that we're going to be successful with this.
I think what WestJetters will find most interesting about the 787 is how all the parts are networked together to communicate with the CCR cabinet. It's a flying network computer basically. The level of technology that they've used is beyond anything I ever dreamed of when I started fixing aircraft.
This process has been extremely rewarding. I've been able to collaborate, bring my expertise to the table. It has been challenging. There's been a lot of travel involved, a lot of long hours, a lot of repeat work just to make sure that we're getting everything right. But it's probably been the best experience I've had here at WestJet.
I know that when I see that aircraft in Calgary or Toronto or wherever I end up seeing it first in Canada, that feeling is going to be the same or even better.